Alright, so Eric started building this entertainment center at 11:07 a.m. Let's see how long it takes to put it together. Daddy's helper. Are you helping, Patches? Are you helping? Alright, so it's been 3 hours. It's 2:07 now. So exactly 3 hours. Still not quite done. Still got to put the doors on, but we got a piece of furniture here, and it's all been carefully assembled and glued, so not bad for a day's work. It's looking good. What do you think, babe? Better than IKEA?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. We are starting out this Monday by writing out my grocery list for the week. We're going to head to Walmart. I need to pick all of this stuff up and fill up my gas tank. I'm going to try to keep my balance under $100 today. I have been not so great on the budgeting end of things recently, so I'm going to try really hard to stick to my budget. I don't think that we are going to need to spend our full $50 gas budget this week. I think we're going to be under that because we didn't really drive much last week, and we're not going to do a ton of driving this week, so that's good. That'll keep our budget down. The name of the game this week is sticking to the budget. So we're going to go to Walmart. I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're going to get all of this and try to keep our total as low as possible. So wish me luck. Alright, we have arrived here at Walmart. We have a very rainy, dreary Monday ahead of us, which is a shame because it's not exactly the most uplifting, motivating weather, but I was right. We only used about a half a tank of gas last week, so shouldn't break the bank there. Hopefully I can stick to my budget. I know this is like super riveting content for you today, but I did want to turn the camera around, talk to you guys for a second, and tell you guys how much I appreciate all of your support with me coming back to vlogging and posting regularly again. I've gotten a lot of really sweet comments welcoming me back, so thank you guys so much for that. It's tough to come back after you've been gone for so long, especially when you've been kind of feeling down in the dumps about yourself like I have been. I have not had the most self-confidence recently, so coming back and just having you guys say such nice things and being positive and encouraging and requesting more videos, more vlogs, that means a lot to me, so thank you guys. That really made my decision to kind of come back full-time to YouTube a pretty easy one. So you guys will definitely be seeing lots of videos from me, providing that I don't get down in the dumps again or things don't get hectic. You guys know life happens, but I'm going to try really hard to stay consistent and put up videos for the rest of the year. Not every day, but most every day if I can, and just sharing with you guys makes me feel really good, so I'm glad to be back. But for now, we're going to go into Walmart. We're going to tackle this grocery list, hopefully stick to the budget. Also think I'm going to buy myself a little breakfast while I'm in there because I didn't eat before I left, and that's probably a mistake before grocery shopping, especially when you're trying not to go overboard with the snacks. So let's go. Alright, I got a cart full of groceries. Let's go see what our total is. Alright, you guys, so my total at Walmart was $109.25, so I went a little tiny bit over budget, but nothing terrible. I pulled $20 out in cash too, to give to Austin for helping me with something over the weekend, but not too bad. I think what set me over was having to buy a bigger bag of cat food than I typically, or than I originally wanted, but they didn't have the smaller one, so, or dog food, whatever it was. But not too bad. As long as I don't overdo it with the gas, I should come out right around where I wanted to. For myself for breakfast, I picked up this little Starbucks Frappuccino, and I'm going to have a piece of this pumpkin spice cream cake. It's the first pumpkin spice thing I've had this season, so super excited about that. Then we're going to go get gas in the car and head home. Okay, so I am home from the grocery store. I got everything put away. I'm staring at a giant mess, and I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek because I know that you won't judge me. my husband has been working his tail off to paint and put in beautiful flooring and make my house a home. But he's kind of not the best about keeping his workspace tidy, I guess. When he gets involved in a project, he tends to just let it explode everywhere. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is all tools and stuff. There's also some laundry there. That's my doing. And a kitty cat. Say hello, Sirius. You guys see that beautiful white door, though? My husband painted that door yesterday, and it is giving me life at how beautiful it is. Let's see if we can get rid of the backlighting. There you go. Look at how white and clean it looks. Don't mind that mess. If we could just, like, frame that out, that'd be beautiful. That's what I love about Instagram photos. You can totally frame them. Speaking of Instagram photos, I posted a photo of this gorgeousness yesterday. Again, pretend like that mess isn't there. We are working on it, you guys. I promise. It's just, you know, work in progress. But he got this wall completely done. He still has to hang trim. But he painted this wall. He hung my TV and put all of the cords and wires behind the wall so that we don't have to stare at a big jumble of wires, which is wonderful because all of that chaos tends to make me a little bit crazy. But he also put together my beautiful new entertainment center, which I got from Amazon, and I love with the barn doors. He put all of the ugly equipment back behind the doors, like the modem and all of that nobody wants to look at. So this wall is perfection. And of course, you guys, the floor. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I know you can't see it because of the chaos, but it's a beautiful floor. I'm going to spend probably 20 minutes kind of tidying this up a little bit, making it a little bit more presentable because it's a hot mess. I'm also going to spend some time working in the kitchen because it's also a hot mess. And there's laundry to do, so I need to write up a to-do list. I also have a bunch of editing to do. So, lots of busy work, but hopefully after that I can relax. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit and show you some progress. Alright guys, so Austin is home. He wanted to say hello. Hi. Since you guys haven't seen him. Robbie went to a soccer game, but Austin's here, so he just wanted to say hi. We're going through school stuff. This is actually Robbie's backpack. We're going through. That mess got sort of condensed, but not really. It's better, but still a bit messy. Your dad's stuff, you know, I mean. I thought you meant like the... No. So, that's all. We just wanted to say hi. How has the school year been?
Good.
You guys had your first week back last week. Are you enjoying 6th grade?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Anything else you'd like to say?
No.
I just wanted you guys to know he's still...
Alive.
Alive, because he's not really into the vlogging so much anymore, right? Like, you used to be really into it. Now you kind of can take it or leave it. You don't want to be in every vlog like you did before. But you don't mind showing up occasionally.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Good. Alright.